This video walks you through how to create a custom report in Clio Manage. Start by opening Clio Manage in your browser. Once you are in the main workspace, look to the left sidebar and select Reports. This opens the reporting area where you can access both standard and custom reporting options. At the top of the page, make sure the Reports Beta tab is selected before you continue. If a different Reports tab is active, switch to the beta view first so the custom report builder appears as expected. From there, choose Custom. In the Custom Report section, click Create New Custom Report to open the report setup page. The first section is Report Details. Enter a name for the report so it is easy to identify later. If you want to add more context, enter a description as well. This can help distinguish the report from others if you plan to create several versions. Next, open the category menu and choose the category that best matches the type of report you are building. This affects how the report is organized within Clio Manage, so it is worth selecting the closest match before moving on. Under Columns, open the Select Your Dataset menu. Choose the dataset you want the report to pull from. One example is account transactions, but you can select a dataset that fits the information you need. After that, move to Select Your Columns. Here, check the fields you want included in the report. These are the actual data points that will appear in the final result. If you are looking for a specific field and do not want to scroll through the full list, use Search Column by Name to locate it more quickly. Below the field list, select any calculations you want to include. Depending on the dataset, available options may include account running balance, client running balance, funds in, funds out, or matter running balance. Add only the calculations that apply to the report you are creating. As you choose fields and calculations, Clio may display recommended column selections. Follow those suggestions when they are relevant to your dataset. For example, if you selected the account transactions dataset, Clio may recommend columns such as bank account name and transaction date. Recommended columns can help make the report more complete and easier to interpret. While you build the report, review the preview panel on the right side of the page. This preview updates as you add columns, so you can confirm that the report structure matches what you expect before saving it. If there are additional report options further down the page, configure those as needed for your report setup. When everything looks correct, go to the bottom right corner and click Create Report. This saves the custom report and adds it to your reports in Clio Manage. Your custom report is now created and saved in Clio Manage.